Hi there, today we're gonna do the install of the thermostat on our 2019 SXF 450, which the model years are the same from 19 to 21 so far. It is also the same as the 20 500s, Husky and KTM. To get started, we're just gonna take off the side plastics in the tank, which just gives us better access to everything. You don't have to, but removing the head pipe is also gonna be a little bit better. And then we'll drain the coolant. Once that's all done, we'll start with the install. Okay, so to start this install, we'll remove the stock hoses. The C3 kits come with replacement hoses, so any hoses that need to be used are provided. On a colored kit, you get all the hoses, but on a black hose kit, you just get the hoses that need to be replaced. Brake cleans helps just make the hoses a little slipperier, and then they slide on easier. And this one you need to slide up as far as you can. Now on our thermostats, it's better to thread all the fittings in before you put it in to the bike. And it's also better to install the hose first, because right now it's the easiest to put it in. Once it's installed in the bike, it's really hard. These hoses take a really firm push, and you'll feel they'll go in a little bit, and then you got to push harder and they'll go all the way in. So make sure you push hard and get them all the way in. Just position the thermostat so that the hoses route nicely. So when installing the fittings into the bypass line, it's a tapered pipe thread, so it doesn't have to be tightened that tight. It would be like 8 foot-pounds at the most. But as soon as you feel it tighten up is good. Again, brake cleans just helps them slip on easier. And again, here it's also easier if you install the bypass line. Well, you can hang on to things better. So that's how we install the C3 thermostat on these newer KTMs and Huskies. Thanks for purchasing it, and it's going to keep your engine nice and warm and get you through all those cold winter days. Thanks.